How to stop auto backup of Google Photos. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to stop auto backup of Google Photos, simply launch the Google Photos application on your device. Open it by tapping on it. Now you will land on the Photos page of Google Photos. Tap on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen and you need to locate the option for photo settings. You simply need to tap on photo settings. Now you will reach on the settings page of photo settings where you need to tap on backup option at top of the screen. At the top, you can easily see backup photos and videos from this device to your Google account. So to stop the auto backup of Google Photos, simply you need to make sure to disable or turn off the button at top right corner of the screen. If the button is toggle off or on, you need to tap on it and make it to black or darker in color in order to stop auto backup of Google Photos by turning the button off. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.